This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about some of the key points and differences between vinyl, latex, and nitrile gloves. All three of these are popular options, and some of them are better for some tasks, and some things just come down to personal preference. Probably the cheapest option is vinyl gloves. So if price is a factor and you're not working with any hazardous materials, these are a great option, which makes them really popular in the food industry because they're probably the cheapest thing you can get. They have a much looser fit, and the material, right, it's much less elastic, meaning that if you're doing precision tasks, like sometimes with cake decorating, these might not necessarily be the best. But like if you're just packing up loose bulk cookies in your bakery and you don't really need the fingers to be really well fit, then that's not an issue. So they're typically meant for short use. And I find that when I order these, I go up at least one size just to make sure that they fit well and aren't too tight because they can be a little restrictive. Latex is the second one, and for a long time it was one of the only options. They have a better fit, it's more elastic, right? But it does come with an allergy risk. A significant amount of people are actually allergic to latex. So that is one thing to keep in mind, and one reason that we always keep both things in hand. That way, if we ever have an employee that's allergic to latex, we have vinyl or nitrile options so that people can use whatever they're comfortable with. It's also important to note that a lot of these gloves come either powder free or powder, and that more so personal preference. If you're going to be wearing them for a long time and you tend to have sweaty hands, going for the powdered ones can be nice, right? The third one, which is becoming increasingly popular, is the nitrile gloves. They offer the same kind of protection that the latex does, so they can be used across more industries. And they have the nice stretch and good fit that latex gloves do. And since they become so popular and are being produced more widely, the price has really come down in recent years. And one thing that a lot of people like, especially in medical fields, is if you get a puncture in these, they will often tear, versus with the latex, if it has a small puncture, it might not. So it'll let you know when the glove is compromised. So these are a great option for a lot of industries, not just the food industry. And those are the main differences and aspects of the three types of popular gloves on the market. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the materials and equipment we use in cake decorating, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like more information on yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com. And if you're interested in these products, you can check out the links in the description.